you were going to write a program that draws a brick wall. And again, if you look at the project, it says it's really not about making a program that draws a brick wall. It's about making blocks that do some specific thing. And sometimes in computer science, they refer to this as abstraction, the idea that once I make a block or a function, I don't really have to worry about what's inside it anymore or how it works. I just know that it does its job. So, for example, in the process of making this brick wall, you're going to make yourself a block that says something like draw brick. And you can see if I run this, draw brick, if I run the thing, it draws a brick. And you're going to have a bunch of other little functions here that do other things. I can draw a row. Let me move the guy over here. Let me draw a row, and you can see that it draws a row of bricks. And I have something else that will initialize the pen, makes the pen thicker and so forth. This one initializes the position and direction of the sprite, and you can see it puts it on the bottom. So let me just show you what the finished code is supposed to look like, or rather the finished, it's not the finished code, but the finished program is supposed to look like when it runs. So here I'm going to draw a brick wall with 5 rows, and I'll give this a run. You can see what happens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. It's running a little slowly for some reason, but there's my 5-row brick wall. I could draw a brick wall with 2 rows. And that's really about it. It should be able to draw an odd or even number of rows. And you're going to have these blocks: initialize pen, initialize character's position and direction, and then finally draw a brick wall with some number of rows. And within this, you're going to have these other blocks that will draw a row A or row B. Notice there's slight difference between different rows. Row A, row B, some have the little shorty ends and some have the long ends, because, brick wall, of course, that goes every other kind of, stagger your bricks, so it's a stronger brick wall. But anyway, that's the idea. And again, it's really not about drawing a brick wall. It's about creating these blocks with all these little sub-blocks. That's a big concept in computer science. It's to kind of break down your program into smaller pieces. So get to work.